Ever found yourself staring at your Beam wallet, eager to access those hard-earned assets, but unsure of the next step? You're not alone. Many of you have asked, how exactly do I withdraw funds from my Beam wallet? And that's precisely what we're going to demystify today. We'll walk you through the process, step by step, ensuring you can confidently and securely move your Beam assets wherever you need them. Before we dive into the how, let's set the stage a little. Beam is a privacy-oriented cryptocurrency, and its wallet is designed with that core principle in mind. This means that while the withdrawal process is straightforward, it also incorporates features that prioritize your privacy and security. We're talking about confidential transactions and the ability to control your financial footprint. So, when you initiate a withdrawal, you're not just moving digital assets, you're doing so with a layer of privacy that many other cryptocurrencies don't offer by default. This is a key advantage of the Beam ecosystem, and understanding it helps appreciate the wallet's design. Now, let's get down to business. The withdrawal process from your Beam wallet is surprisingly intuitive. First things first, open your Beam wallet application. Whether you're on desktop or mobile, the interface is designed to be user-friendly. Once inside, you'll typically see your current balance displayed prominently. Look for a Send or Withdraw button. In most Beam wallet versions, this will be clearly labeled. Clicking Send will take you to the transaction screen. This is where you'll input the details of your withdrawal. The most crucial piece of information here is the recipient's address. This is the Beam address where you want to send your funds. It's absolutely vital to double and even triple check this address. A single incorrect character could result in your funds being sent to the wrong place, and due to the irreversible nature of cryptocurrency transactions, they would be unrecoverable. So, copy and paste, and then verify. Next, you'll enter the amount of Beam you wish to withdraw. The wallet will usually display your available balance, so you can easily see how much you can send. You'll also notice a small transaction fee, often called a network fee or miner fee. This fee is minimal and goes to the network to process and secure your transaction. It's a standard part of cryptocurrency transactions and ensures the network remains robust. Once you've entered the address and the amount, the wallet will often present you with a summary of the transaction. This is your final opportunity to review all the details before confirming. Take your time here. Ensure the recipient address is correct, the amount is accurate, and you're comfortable with the network fee. Finally, you'll be prompted to confirm the transaction, usually by entering your wallet password or PIN. This is your security measure, ensuring that only you can authorize withdrawals from your wallet. Once confirmed, your Beam will be sent on its way. The transaction will then be broadcast to the Beam network and will typically confirm within a few minutes, depending on network activity. You can usually track the status of your transaction within the wallet itself, or by using a Beam Blockchain Explorer if you want to see it on a public ledger. And that's it. Withdrawing funds from your Beam wallet is a secure and straightforward process once you understand the steps. Remember the importance of verifying recipient addresses, understanding the small transaction fee, and utilizing your wallet's security features. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.